What's up? Sitting here at the airport, Cincinnati, getting ready to head to Vegas for an epic trip. This is going to be Zion to Grand Canyon, then back to Vegas. I'll keep you guys posted throughout the whole thing. Let's have some fun. I sit at the bar right now just enjoying a couple of drinks before we go. We got Red Leader, Clumsy Hiker, Hike Trout, and Snuffleupagus. Snuffleupagus in the house, baby. All right.
Which reminds you, want your gifts now?
Ooh, coming with some gifts.
Santa Claus came.
All right, we're at the airport, sitting at the bar, and Snuffleupagus has some gifts for us. Is this, am I passing this down? Or
Well, you open it, all four of ours are
in there, so this is a gift for all four of us.
What we got? Pass DJ his special gift.
And DJ has the Smegma Spork.
How do you know what it is already? Smegma Spork.
All right.
Did you crack it open yet? Be gentle with it, they're a little delicate.
Look at this.
The Grand Canyon.
Oh,
That Red Leader?
so we got Red Leader.
No way.
Excited.
That is cool. Jason, thank
See
you.
the backside? Commemorative tag
Hike
flag.
Trout.
That's awesome.
Oh, look at
I gotta
this.
try not to break this.
This is really cool.
I got my Smegma Spork.
And he's got his Smegma plate.
Yes.
Snuffleupagus in the house.
Yes, no.
And
I gotta carry this.
there you go. On the plane, headed to Vegas. I'm so excited. This is my view.
Door exits in the front and two-door exits in the rear of the cabin. In addition, there are four overwing exits, two on each side. Each is equipped with an evacuation What's up? We're on the plane, headed to Vegas. Everyone's just chilling. Basically, we're just enjoying the flight. We've got, I think it's a 2-hour flight from the Natty to Vegas, and then we're just gonna get off the plane and enjoy ourselves. Right now, it's kind of nap time, chill time, and sit back and enjoy this.
Good video,
Just
man.
made it.
Very agile.
Oh, you are?
There's people behind you. Yeah, it was just you.
No.
Oh, there's, thank you. United baggage claim only.
Welcome to Las Vegas. I'm Adam. Save your gambling for the casinos and make sure you are taking the right tram.
This guy freaked me out. Walking down the airport, Adam jumps out in front of me and scares the poo-poo out of me.
Look, Adam's got a knee patch.
Hi, I'm Adam. Don't press your luck with your baggage. This red trailer is for air.
What's up? We just touched down in Vegas, getting ready to go get the rental car, and we're gonna do this thing right. Vegas, Zion, Canyon, here we go, baby. Hanging out with my gecko.
Is that a gecko? I don't know if that's a gecko, is it? That's where you just put a blurb on it, like...
Hanging out with my horny toad. Hanging out with my sand lizard. Hanging out with my ninja. So here we are at the world famous In-N-Out Burger in Las Vegas, baby. Let's go see what we can get our bellies full. I haven't eaten since, I think, was it 9 o'clock our time? It's 7 o'clock here, which is like 10 o'clock at night our time. So we're gonna go in here and get us some In-N-Out Burger.
Take a look at that pepper. Woo. Now you see it. Now you see it. Now you don't.
Here we are at the In-N-Out Burger, Las Vegas style. We ordered. Tell them what we ordered. Oh, he's hold on. He's got to get the pepper down first. That's most important.
Double doubles.
Everybody got a double double.
Animal style fries.
Animal style fries. This man knows the secret menu at In-N-Out Burgers. In-N-Out Burger was a success. I was so hungry, I didn't have time to show the food, so you didn't get to see the delicious burgers, but boy, is my belly full, and I feel great about it. So we have left Vegas. We are on our way to Zion. We are in this place. I don't know where it is. It's right next to a McDonald's, but it's called the Virgin River Casino. There it is. And it's right off the expressway. So we stopped to use the restroom. I think we're going from Nevada through Arizona and then to Utah to Zion National Park. So that's where we're headed. Just wanted to give you a quick little update so you can see what I'm seeing.